of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store to download new apps you wish to set up as your default one. I will go with Opera Mini. And I already have OS Launcher. Now, with both of your apps or more of your apps ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then you need to scroll down to click on Apps. Over here, under Device Care, click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage. I will start with Browser app. Click on the chosen one. Tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default app has changed. If you wish to change something more complicated than Browser, like Home app, click on it here and tap on your installed one. In my case, Launcher Pro. In this case, you need to choose Allow All in the pop-up for your new launcher to work. And wait! As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you can access the same settings and tap on Samsung One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!